Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seekers Hub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about FAQs from Accenture. As we know earlier, Accenture announced its mass off-campus hiring for 24, 25, 26 candidates. They are hiring for multiple roles. You can see here, if you are the one still didn't apply for this opportunity, I given those two links in my last two videos, so you can go over there and get the links, or else just visit our website jobseekershub.co.in. Here I given four links, so you can apply easily from here as well. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video. Here I had made around 17 to 18 questions. If you watch this video until end, you will get a clarity like how the examination pattern will be and how many stages of examination is there. Like this, I discussed many of the FAQs, so please don't skip this video until end. Please watch this video until end. You get to know the pattern of Accenture. So first of all, what is the pattern of the examination? So as we discussed earlier, multiple hiring roles are there. From multiple roles there will be a different examination pattern. So for SAP, the examination will be different. For Python, the examination pattern will be different. And for .NET, mostly it will be like Python. I mean, like 90% it may match. And for ServiceNow, it will be a different pattern. And the next FAQ is how many roles are there. So they are hiring for, as we discussed earlier, they are hiring for 4 roles. They are hiring for 4 roles. So one is SAP, another one is Python, another one is .NET, and last one is ServiceNow. And you already know these 3 hirings are only for Bangalore region. And the second hiring, Python, is for only Hyderabad region. So while applying for this role, please check whether this role is for that or for another. Next one is, can I apply for multiple roles? So this is the doubt many of the students were asked me. So the answer is no sir, you are not allowed to apply for multiple roles. Even though they are hiring for 4 roles, you have to apply for only one role where you are very strong. If you apply for multiple roles, then trust me, it will be a rejection for you, and in future recruitment process you may face difficulty. So don't try to apply for multiple roles, just apply for one role, which role you fits in. And next FAQ is, I applied to SAP role, now I want to apply for Python as well. So this is the question I got from a 2026 pass out. So she said she applied for, yeah, she is a 2026 pass out, she applied for Python. Sorry, she want to apply for Python, but she applied for SAP. What she told is, she applied for SAP and she requested Accenture team to delete her profile, and then she will try to apply for Python role. So don't do this type mistakes, because if you are doing this type of mistakes, your profile may be ineligible. Sir, why my profile is ineligible for that particular opportunity? Even though you mail for the Accenture team regarding account deletion, it may take weeks. Many of the candidates didn't get any response from the team. If you got the response, it will be okay. If you didn't got response, then it will be a burden for you. So don't do this. If you are apply for SAP, write the examination on SAP only. If you are apply for Python, write the examination in Python only. Don't try to switch your roles. This is not a game, guys. This is a hiring process from a big company. So don't do this kind of mistakes. If you do this kind of mistakes, then you may be ineligible for the hiring process. So please be careful while applying for the opportunity. Next one is pattern of SAP examination. So as I discussed earlier, there will be 30 MCQs. All are a multiple choice questions only, no coding question, and 40 minutes is the time. Only one section you have to answer. So it is for SAP role. And next is pattern of Python examination. So Python is not same like SAP. Remind this. Python is different, sir. Sir, for Python, the role is different. There will be one coding question. There will be one coding question and some questions from Python MCQs, some questions from PySpark, and some questions from AWS as well. I will show a picture of that. Just now I got that. Yeah, this is the pattern of SAP. So here you can see there will be a 30 questions. Section count is 1 and test duration is how many minutes, sir? 40 minutes. Yeah, here you can see this is for SAP. There will be a 30 questions and section count is 1. Total duration is 40 minutes. For Python, it is different. Here you can see there will be 31 questions for Python and total duration is a 60 minutes and a total section count is how many? 5. So 5 sections will be there, and this is the pattern of the examination. So here you can see hands-on programming, Python, PySpark, machine learning, and AWS. So this is the pattern for Python examination. Is there any coding question for Python? Yes, there is one coding question. One coding question will be there for Python. You have to solve that. Then only you are allowed to go to next section. So be prepared. There will be a one coding a question in Python. You definitely have to solve that. Then only next section will open. Another FAQ is application already exists error. So I already discussed this in my last video. You can see this is my last video. Here from 6th or 7th minute onwards, I already given a mail for Accenture team and candidate rights data form. If you are the one who are getting that type of error, just go to this video once. I will give this link in the cards. From 60 minute onwards, you can check how to delete your profile if you are getting application already exists error. So how much time it will take for assessment? Means after applying for the after applying for SAP or after applying for Python, how much time it will take? So maybe max to max at 24 to 48 hours. Means if you apply for this role within 24 to 48 hours, you will receive assessment mails. You will receive assessment mail within a 24-hour to 48-hour time frame. Yeah. How many days I have to wait for interview after completion of my exam? After completion of your exam, within 72 hours, you will get your interview mail for that particular role. If you didn't get in 72 hours, just wait for another 2 to 3 days. If you still didn't get any mail from them, means your profile is not under consideration. If you are able to receive the interview mail within 72 hours or more than that, max to max give 1 week of time. If you receive interview mail in this particular time frame, you got selected, or else your profile is no longer in consideration. And next FAQ is interview online or offline? Not one candidate, many of the candidates in my last video comment section asked the same. So nobody knows whether it is online or offline, but for Accenture, mostly 99% it will be online only. In worst scenario, if you are the most hardest, luckiest person in the earth, unlike me, then you will definitely get offline interview. Yeah, then definitely you will get offline interview. Sir, offline interview will be held in their office premises. If you applied for Bangalore location, it will be in Bangalore. If you applied for Hyderabad location, it will be in Hyderabad. So nobody knows whether it will be online or offline. Be prepared for that. Mostly try to prepare for the worst case. Like prepare the interview will be offline only. If you get in online, it will be very good. Otherwise, prepare your mind like okay, the interview will be in offline. So that's it about this question. We'll go to next FAQ. Yeah. Uh, what are the questions asked in an interview? In an interview, they may ask questions from your resume, and they may ask questions from your skill. Sir, what skills, sir? I didn't understand. While applying for, if you applied for SAP, you will get 90% of questions from SAP. If you applied for Python, you will get 90% questions from it only, not more than that. After that, they may ask about your project. If they want to just try to know how your communication will be, they may ask few HR questions like how is your college life, something like that, not more than that. So mostly questions will come from resume and skill only. 90% of the questions will be covered here. And next FAQ is how many rounds of interview will be there. As of now, there will be only one round of interview in Accenture, but if they put two rounds, then mostly it will be TR plus HR. But what I heard from other candidates are TR and HR are take place at same time, means the one who asked subject questions is asking HR questions as well. So mostly there will be one round only. If it is in a worst case, there may be two rounds, but 99% chances are only for one round. Next FAQ is after interview, next process. Yeah, after completion of interview, the next process mostly will be BJV. They may ask you for documents, your educational documents. If it matches, they may send letter of intent for you guys. Mostly it will be this only. If there is a no HR, mostly they may ask your education documents, and after that LOI will be generated. Next question is I selected slot timeline, but I didn't got any response. Means the guy completed assessment within 72 hours. He is able to receive interview survey mail. In survey mail, he selected how many slots? 3 slots. After selecting the slots, he didn't get any update. Definitely you will get an update. If you still didn't get any update, just wait for 3 to 4 days. Still they didn't give any response, then mail to Accenture team regarding that. On so and so on time, I got the mail for interview survey mail. I selected 3 slots, but I didn't receive any response. So what they will do is they will reinitiate interview survey mail. You can select new date. This is the problem one of the guy shared with me. Already this has been shared in the last video. One of the guy asked the same question and he is able to do like that. If you are the one, if you selected 3 slots and if you didn't get any update until now, just mail to the support team stating that I selected this particular slot timeline, I didn't get any response from that. So please send mail again. I will select interview slot again. So please write a mail like that. No. Can experience apply for this role? Yes. Experience can also apply for this role. They already said 0 to 2 years. If you have a experience up to 2 years, not more than 2 years, if you have experience of 2 years, you can apply for this role. If you are a fresher, 24, 25, 26, still you are eligible. Still you can apply for this role as well. And last FAQ is, how can I prepare for interview? So you can prepare for your interview by referring top interview questions. Mostly there will be no time, guys. Trust me. After completion of an examination, they may not wait for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Maybe within 48 hours you will get your interview mail. Maybe you didn't get enough time to revise all the basics. So the best thing you have to do is, after applying for that particular role, just try to give 2 to 3 hours of time for revision of programming. Like if you applied for Python, just give 2 to 3 hours from day 1 onwards. While you are applying for that particular role, from day 1 onwards, please give 2 to 3 hours and please be prepared well. So after completion of an examination, you will get interview mail within 24 to 48 hours. So if you apply for SAP, Python, better to start your preparation from day 1. Then it will be very very easy for you to crack that particular role. So that's it, guys. These are the various FAQs so many students ask. I hope you get a 99% clarity on this particular thing. If you feel free to ask me in comment section, I will give reply for each and every question. So don't be fear, be preparable and apply for this opportunity. I hope you guys selected for this opportunity. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, because unlike you, they may had lot of doubts regarding the hiring process. Here I covered almost all questions. So please share this video with them and please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind. Bye bye now.